Hello, so I'm going to be doing a OBD2 lab scope for the Saturn. And first off, I'm going to use a breakout box, an OBD2 cable breakout box, and a component tester that has a lab scope in it. First off, I'm going to use my voltmeter by putting it to 20. And I'm going to this Saturn has a class 2 system, so I'm going to be putting my negative lead, my ground lead, to the 4 terminal, and then I'm going to be putting my red lead to the second terminal. And as you can see here, it has around like 28 volts. And if I turn this off, I'll be using my 2 leads in order to move this to the scan tool. And then I'll be placing my black lead into the column here, and I'll be putting my red lead into the channel 1 for volts and ohms. And then if we turn it on, oh. So the reason why I'm doing this is to lab scope for any faults in any of the systems. So we will go down to here to lab scope, to the 2-channel lab scope. And then as you can see, since this one only has 1 channel, we'll turn off the second channel. We'll move this to 10 volts and then put the speed to 200 milliseconds. And then once again, we'll be using the OBD2 scanner for the 4th terminal and the 2nd terminal. And then we'll cycle the ignition on. And as you can see here, we are looking for activity, and there's activity here. There's usually 2 channels, but this is a class 2, which only has 1 channel in. And as you can see, there's about 24 volts to 28 volts, just like in the voltmeter. And